Hello everyone. So today I bought Nintendo Switch 2 USB camera. It's Japanese edition and it looks pretty awesome, to be honest. I love this. I love the design of it compared to the simple one they have, um, which I'm gonna review as well. But this one is this looks really good. This is a Japanese edition, by the way. So as you can see, here's the box and here's the front of it. This is the USB edition, Japanese, definitely. And this is the right side of the box, and this is the left side, and this is the bottom of the box. All of it in Japanese, so I am not sure what it says, but it says, I think it's a product name and everything, product details. And here is the interesting part, the back of the box. I am, really surprised how Japanese product boxes are really detailed. You can see everything, almost everything, the sizes of all the items you will receive in this box, a QR code, and compatibilities and everything, instructions, sort of instructions, yeah, exactly. So and here's the top of the box, and this looks pretty nice box. I mean, it's a bit rough, as you can see, but that's how I receive it in Pakistan. So, all right, it's a shipping issue. Sorry about that. So let's just open it and see what's inside. Okay. All right. Okay, so we will open it. Let me just drag it out. Okay, so first, there is a booklet, and it's just I opened it. That's why it's a little bit bent. I opened it before, and that's why it's a little bit bent. But yeah, it's a this is the instruction manual, right? This is the instruction manual. Sorry about that. Let me just focus it. Okay, so it's an instruction manual, and it's in Japanese, as one would expect. It's all in Japanese and English. Yeah, and English. Caution. English. Oh, sorry. There's no English here. Oh yeah, Japanese English. So okay, so that's the paper. Now the main thing is we have this. Right. Okay. This looks really cool. Okay, so we're gonna see the pod design. So in the pod design, we have Type C port inside this pod, and then we got Type C port here, and then this is for the charging, and this is for the camera, and this is the logo of Nintendo Switch 2. And if we open it, we can set it on our display, monitor or TV, whatever you have. Okay, and then this is the back. This is Hori. I didn't know the Hori company, but yeah, it's by them. Okay, so this is the pod. Next thing we have is the charging cable. Okay, so this is a charging cable. This is a really high quality charging cable, to be honest. This is really good compared to what we get with the with Sony. It's really high quality. Okay, right. Okay, so it's a pretty reasonably long cable. Let me just untie it, and yeah, as you can see, it's a pretty reasonably long cable. It's a pretty reasonably long cable. I don't know if you guys can guess, but it's an okay amount. Okay, so this is the flower, and then the main thing we got. Oh, sorry about that. There's another thing. It's as you can see here, we have. I don't know why it's going out of focus. Okay, so we have aux as well. So aux. And then we got, just a minute, and then we got the main thing, which is the camera itself. Okay, it's a bit hard to take it out. Okay, so we got the camera. This looks nice, right? Right. Okay. And see the snap? It's a really satisfying snap. Okay, so we need to fix the leaves with the camera, and then we can plant that flower or that monster flower or monster plant in the pot. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and that's it. This is the quality of it is really good. You know, the quality of it is really good. I like it, but so let's see how it fits with the Nintendo, right? That's how we're gonna check. Okay, so here's my Nintendo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put it here, and then I'm just gonna point it. I'm just gonna flip it, right? Then I'm going to show you guys. You know, this pod, this you can say base is for if you want to, you know, put your camera like this and plug it with this USB into your Switch 2, right? So, but if you want, you can also do it like that. You know, if you can just click it, connect it with the top port on your. Sorry, just let me disconnect. There's a port, USB Type C port on your Switch 2 at the top. You can just connect it with this, and right. Okay, let me just show you guys how it looks. All right. Okay. So when I connect it, and then if I turn on my Switch 2, I can go to settings, and then I can go to controller and accessories, and then I can go to test USB camera, and as you can see it's connected. Now let me just open it, and as you can see, wait, let me show you guys. So it's right now it's upside down. Okay, just let me just pull it, and then just let me. Okay, now let me show you guys. So this is the result of it. So I'm not sure, it's really hard to show, but okay, let me just here and show you guys the result of the camera. It's not great, but it's not bad either. This camera needs a lot of light to work properly. If you don't have much light, it's not gonna show it the best result, you know, the colors and everything. But yeah, there's also the camera result is okay, and it works with Switch 2, Switch Lite, all Switch models, Nintendo Switch models. It's a pretty good camera, I would say, and it's stylish. It's a decoration as well. So that's that. Yeah, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So let's just disconnect, and yeah. So here it is. Here we have. Let's just connect it with the pot, And here's the camera. Right. This is I love this, to be honest. I like the design of it. It looks really good. It's a decoration and it's a camera. It's way better than they have that simple camera, boring little looking camera. But yeah, this one looks really nice. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.